Today, we're diving into a comparison of two of the latest flagships from Apple, the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Both phones have been tested, and while there are some similarities, it's clear that the iPhone 16 Pro Max has brought some new features to the table. If you're wondering whether to upgrade or stick with the 15 Pro Max, all the major differences and improvements will be broken down for you in this hands-on review. Starting with the design, not much has changed at first glance. The dimensions are almost identical, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max is slightly lighter thanks to a new titanium alloy frame, which gives it a more premium feel compared to the stainless steel on the 15 Pro Max. If weight is a concern for you, the 16 Pro Max definitely feels easier to handle during long usage. One of the biggest upgrades has been made to the display. While both models have the same 6.7-inch OLED screen, the iPhone 16 Pro Max has been equipped with ProMotion 2.0, which means a smoother refresh rate, especially during gaming or scrolling. The color accuracy is top-notch on both, but the 16 has a slight edge in brightness and overall clarity, making it ideal for outdoor use or consuming high-quality content. In terms of performance, the A17 Pro chip in the 15 Pro Max was already impressive, but the A18 Bionic chip in the 16 Pro Max takes things to another level. It was noticed that apps load faster, multitasking feels smoother, and even with heavier gaming or editing tasks, there's almost no lag. So if you're someone who pushes your phone to the limit, the performance jump with the 16 Pro Max will definitely be appreciated. When it comes to battery life, both phones are solid, but a slight improvement can be seen in the 16 Pro Max. Apple has optimized the battery efficiency in the new model, giving you a bit more screen time before needing a charge. The difference isn't massive, but for those heavy users out there, that extra bit of battery can make a difference during long days. Now, onto the cameras. Both models have a 48-megapixel main camera, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max steps it up with improved low-light photography and better image stabilization. In low-light settings, the 16 Pro Max performs noticeably better, capturing more details with less noise. For video lovers, there's also the addition of 8K video recording on the 16, which isn't available on the 15. So, for those who love shooting content, the 16 Pro Max might be the better option. Finally, a major new feature in the iPhone 16 Pro Max is Wi-Fi 7. This brings faster, more reliable internet speeds, making a big difference for downloading or streaming content. In contrast, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is still on Wi-Fi 6E, which is fast, but not on the same level. So, should you upgrade to the iPhone 16 Pro Max? If you're coming from the 15 Pro Max, it's worth considering if you want the latest and greatest. The improved display, faster processor, better camera performance, and Wi-Fi 7 are some clear upgrades that make the 16 Pro Max a more powerful device. However, if you're happy with your 15 Pro Max and don't need these upgrades right now, it's still a solid phone that holds up well. Let me know which one you're going for, and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on reviews.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.